Okay guys, so this is what we got today for you. This is a Honda ballade, the latest one. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing the roof, but we already took out the car. We already took it out the car. So yeah, as you see, we did the seats just yesterday. Yeah, so this is the roof. This is the roof that I'm talking about. And where's the material? Okay, let's go. So yes, this is what we got. This is what is it gonna look like. Kodwa ke ikanje ekuqaleni yabo. Look. So when mase sikufakile. One more time guys, is it promised that I'm gonna show you when everything is done, is proper, is on the line. So this is what we got guys. Just check this out. These are seat covers guys, done by H&M Upholsteries. As you see, the steering, everything, yeah. And the roof, wow. Remember I was showing you the unfinished product. Now that is done, this is it. Clean, perfect, on point. What you think?